Your Cash App PIN is a critical security measure, protecting your funds and personal information. Changing it regularly safeguards against unauthorized access, especially with increasing digital fraud. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to update your PIN, enhancing both app and Cash Card security. To change your Cash App PIN, first open the Cash App and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, select Privacy and Security from the menu, or go to Settings and then Security. Then, choose Change PIN and enter your current PIN for verification. Now, set a new PIN that is 4 to 6 digits long and choose a strong combination. Finally, confirm your new PIN and save the changes. The update applies instantly to both the app and your Cash Card. Creating a strong PIN is essential for protecting your Cash App account. The PIN is a 4 to 6 digit code that serves as your primary security layer. Avoid easily guessable PINs like birthdays, consecutive numbers such as 1234, or repeating digits like 1111. These patterns are common and can be easily cracked. Instead, opt for a random sequence of digits. Choose 4 to 6 numbers with no obvious patterns, making it much harder for anyone to guess. Never share your PIN with anyone, not even trusted friends or family. Keeping it confidential is crucial for maintaining security. Consider enabling biometric login as an alternative to PINs. Technologies like fingerprint or facial recognition provide convenient and secure access options. Cash App uses AES 256 encryption standards to protect your PIN data. While this encryption provides excellent security, a strong and unique PIN remains your first line of defense against unauthorized access. The new PIN you set also protects your physical Cash Card for ATM withdrawals and purchases. The card uses this PIN for secure transactions at ATMs and in stores, while the PIN itself isn't stored on the card to prevent cloning. If your Cash Card is lost or stolen, immediately freeze it through the Cash App. This locks the card instantly and prevents unauthorized use. You can then order a replacement card directly from the app. Cash App's 2025 update includes PIN rotation alerts to prevent losses from card skimming. You'll receive notifications suggesting PIN changes and alerts when your PIN hasn't been updated recently, making it even more crucial to keep your PIN secure and current. If you forget your Cash App PIN, don't panic. Cash App provides a secure recovery process to help you regain access to your account. First, open the Cash App on your smartphone or device. You'll need to access the app to begin the recovery process. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, navigate to Privacy and Security and choose the Change PIN option. This will start the recovery process. Since you forgot your PIN, you'll need to verify your identity. Cash App will send a verification code to your linked email address or phone number. Check your messages and enter the code when prompted. Once verified, follow the on-screen prompts in the Change PIN section. You'll be guided to create a new PIN. Choose a strong, unique PIN that you can remember, then confirm and save your changes. For added security and to avoid future PIN issues, consider enabling biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition in your privacy and security settings. This provides a convenient backup to your PIN. Cash App has rolled out advanced security features in 2025 to protect users against evolving threats. These enhancements build multiple layers of protection beyond basic PINs. One key feature is mandatory PIN verification for transactions over $500. This combats identity theft by requiring authentication for high-value transfers, following a 15% global surge in fraud. Cash Cards now support dynamic PIN generation, where the app creates one-time use PINs for each transaction. This protects against card skimming, unlike traditional fixed PINs that can be stolen. Users can now opt for biometrics like fingerprint or facial recognition instead of traditional PINs. This convenient alternative was rolled out in 2025 for both iOS and Android devices. Adaptive Security provides continuous verification, automatically flagging suspicious logins by checking device integrity and location. This zero-trust approach adapts to user behavior for enhanced protection. Together, these advanced features create a robust security framework, protecting against modern threats while maintaining user convenience. Fintech security is constantly evolving. Cash App is adapting to threats with trends toward zero trust models and increased use of biometrics. Zero trust models emphasize continuous verification, checking device integrity and location for every transaction. The rise of biometrics and AI is transforming security. By 2026, experts predict 70% of mobile wallets will use biometrics over traditional PINs. Looking ahead to 2027, Cash App plans hardware-backed PIN storage, potentially phasing out traditional PINs in favor of more secure methods. Regulatory pressures from EU DORA and US CFPB guidelines are pushing Cash App to enhance PIN-related disclosures and implement mandatory security audits. Let's examine real-world examples of PIN security issues and expert recommendations for protecting your Cash App account. In 2024, a major fraud case affected over 10,000 Cash App users when weak PINs were compromised through brute force attacks. The company implemented mandatory PIN resets, resulting in a 40% reduction in repeat incidents. Security experts from firms like CrowdStrike recommend changing your Cash App PIN every quarter. This helps mitigate risks from emerging threats, such as AI-driven scams and advanced hacking techniques that evolve over time. According to a 2025 survey by Pew Research, users who never change their PIN have 3 times higher risk exposure than those who update their PIN annually. Regular changes significantly lower your vulnerability to fraud. To protect your account effectively, stay informed about Cash App's latest security features and updates. Check the app regularly and enable notifications for any suspicious activity to catch potential issues early. Remember, a strong and regularly updated PIN serves as your primary defense against fraud attempts. Pair it with Cash App's other security features like biometric verification for comprehensive account protection.